Hey guys, got a bit of an how-to video today. How to make strimmer into a long reach edge trimmer or pole saw. Alright, so this is, I changed a lot of different heads on stuff over the years, and I'm always looking at changing them. I just think it's an economical, well, it's a cheap way of doing it. So this is what I'm going to do now. This is my edge trimmer attachment, which I've had for many years. It's been brilliant. You've seen me using it. It's Japanese, it's Chinese. It's Chinese, but I tell you what, it's been really good. So it must be a good quality one. But if you buy a Chinese one of these, only a normal 25mm, for the 25mm shaft, that's what this head goes on, with a 7 spline, quite a standard spline. There, let me show you, quite a big spline, 7 spline. I think the actual shaft, the actual drive shaft, let me show you, the actual drive shaft, by 5, 6, 7mm drive shaft. But it's not that, it's the actual splines there. Just the normal 7 spline. Right, so they fit in there. And on this Husqvarna, this is the problem I got. It's a 7 spline shaft, drive shaft, but the actual tube, the strimmer tube, is 24mm, right? And what I got it attached to, because this is exactly the same head, but yeah, Chinese pole saw, which have been brilliant as well, this one. But I fitted this myself on a Japanese robin shaft, and this is 25mm. That's 25mm. So this is how I'm going to get around that now. So just thought I'd show you how you can make them into whatever you want. Long reach edge trimmer, pole saw, you name it. This is how I'm going to do it anyway. Like I said, there's lots of this. Let me move some stuff right there. Like I said, this will work on anything. There we are, it fits onto the, you know it's on the splines, alright? In the gearbox, so that's alright. But look at that slop I got in there, that play. There's not enough room in our slot there to tighten up. That'll just go tight and it'll still be loose on there, that slot. So this is how I got around there. So this, like I said, this will work on any strimmer. So like I said, this is how I get around there. Put them on there. And I got these 2 little spacers I made. Only tin, but a stainless steel pipe it was. Very thin. Just cut it down. 2 slithers, you can see we've had this one together already. That's where it lined up with that notch there. It just pushes tight then into there. So what we'll do, I'll put them on here first. That's what I was there. Put that one on there. Right, and then we come on here. Might have to go to the ends first, past it, and then push back. It was a bit fiddly to get on. So that's the only thing, once you're together, you want to pretty much keep it together. And there we are, going on now. It's a bit stiff. Once he starts going on, right, give him a wiggle. All we do is tap him in now. You see alright? Get these gloves on better. Want to tap him in. I know I'm not all the way back yet. I just want to tap them in. Like I said, this will work on anything. Just tap them in a bit. Pull him down the shaft a bit. There we are. Coming down. There we are. Tap this one back in. See this side? Try not to damage the shaft of the strimmer. There we are, we're on there. So that's quite snug. So we want to line him up then to make sure that he's level on the ground. So put it down on the floor. Put him down so he's flat like that. So that's flat. The engine is flat. Like I said, this Husqvarna 323. But I haven't got to be one of these. It could be any Strimmer. To convert it into a long reach edge trimmer or pole saw. Whatever you've got really. Yeah, so if we're happy with that, like I said, that's straight there now. Just nip it up. Just lock it up on the clamp. Make sure it's square. That's on there. You could look down there if you want to get your line right. Just do the clamp bit first on the back. All the way pretty much. Nip it up. That's solid. Let's go that. Oh, I cut my glass again. So that's on there. Turn the camera around. Yeah, so that's on there. Nice and neat as well. If you look under there, I'll get a torch on that now, I'll show you. So we push this now, just wind in all the way. So I made a bit of a notch earlier. Like I said, I've done this once already. But all you do is keep winding till it stops. So it makes an indent into the plate and into the aluminium. Don't damage nothing. Nib them up all the way I am. Show you the other side. Well, that's gone tight. That's not going away. That's solid. Alright. I'll show you. Get it angled better by that. But that's quite neat, eh? See what I've tapped them shims in. I'll get the bit of that tin now and show what I used. Just a bit of tin, bit of pipe it was. Very thin. It's very soft with stainless steel. So it's good stuff. But any tin would do, to be honest with you. Even aluminium. Bit of soft aluminium sheeting. But I know this is nice and hard, so it's not going to squeeze down like. When it's there, it's there. So anything like that, just to shim it up. Like I said, I was originally on a 25mm shaft. Now we're on a 24mm shaft. As long as the shaft is smaller, obviously, you can definitely put the heads on. Other way around, you're knackered. The shafts are bigger than the heads, you can't do nothing but it. But you can shim them up like I just did. So it's a good way of changing the heads. Making more of an expensive machine or more handy machine than just having Strimmers about. So I just thought I'd pass this information on. I've done lots of these over the years, changed different things, different heads of stills to Japanese stuff. You'd be surprised how many things will change. But that's a very common size, that 7 spline shaft. So it's worth looking to see what you've got. I wouldn't say to go off and buy a cheap Chinese attachment like an edge trimmer, because they're not very good. A lot of them are going to be bad, but this has been a really good one. So I don't know what part of China it was made. We had good part, good side, bad side, so I was told, and this must be a good side because like I said, I had it 6 years and it's been a legend, really good. So that's why I put this on you, on this Husqvarna. It's like an H4 now, edge trimmer. We'll take it outside now and start them up. I know it works, but I'll show you. A bit of petrol in there, go juice, and we're away then. I love these cans, brilliant. Let's do the right side though, throw oil in there. Yeah, so just hopefully this will help someone out. We've got a few different attachments, it could be a pole saw, or anything. This is lovely and light now, compared to what it was before. Another tip with these, if you leave it out in the sun, you want to watch them, because when you go to put them into the machine, boosh, it goes everywhere. The build up of gases in there. Just press this once and then let the air out first. then turn it over and do it. That's on an hot day. Cockerel wants to be on the video. Let's fire him up. I drained him out for the winter. Perfect. One edge trimmer, long reach edge trimmer now, instead of a strimmer. There we are, well happy with that. That's tidy. And I like these edges because they fold over. They're good for transport. You'd be surprised how many attachments out there, edge trim attachments, won't even come right over. So they're awkward then, because you can damage them when they're out like that all the time. But that's just an handy little machine now. Like I said, I hope this helps someone out. But that's just the play in the head there. That's solid on there. That's a nice, solid joint. I tell you what, let's go and try and cut in something. Some nice thick bramble there. The wrong time of the year for the edge. We cut this now. Cold pick this engine. Plenty of power, nice and light as well. You don't need many revs really. That's right, that is. I'm happy with that. Let's quite cut this stuff like. Right, that's the result, that is. I'm happy. So there we are, that was a bit of an how-to video. Recap again, how to convert a normal strimmer to edge trimmer attachment. You can either get one of these attachments, they're cheap enough like, or if you have attachments about, just have a look at the splines of whatever you got and the measurements of the shafts, and you'd be surprised how many attachments will interchange from different manufacturers. Just have a look at the splines. If you've got the 7 spline drive shaft, you've got a good chance of a lot of things fitting, as long as your shaft's small enough. If it's too small like this one was on this Husqvarna 323, but the same as a 325, 327, just pack it with some thin tin or something like I just done. Alright? So I said, I hope I help someone out, and other people can make something like this then as well. Easy. Yeah, so what I just showed you now would work on any strimmer. Just look for the diameter, measure the diameter. You haven't got to be Husqvarna, but that's just the one I went for because they're nice and lightweight. But Echo's, any small CC'd strimmer, just measure take the head off first, your strimmer head, your gearbox. Have a look what splines you got, and you'd be surprised how many things will fit from one thing to another. I made a still long reach edge trimmer into a strimmer, the other way round. There's so many different types, and that was a Japanese or Chinese strimmer head, just went straight onto a still. You'd be surprised how many will change. So this video is basically how to make your strimmer into a long reach edge trimmer or pole saw. Hope this video helps someone out. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.